So yeah, I'm still being in my Zen mode. It's like very, very peaceful and quiet. Like you've gone to the 80s of the Soviet Union. It's like the time has gone back. A few Russian tourists, probably local. And there on the other side you have the fountain, which is making a lot of noise. Spoiling the tranquility of Kazakhstan steppes. I'm rambling again. So yeah, let's look at the golden boulder. Actually on top, I don't know if I show you, you have a big handy thing which you can put your hand in and pretend to be the president of Kazakhstan, because he put his hand there, and yeah, his handprint is there in gold. Okay, not gold, but metal that is dressed like gold, I guess. Still, that's basically it. There's the reactor, and that is where we will probably go. Perrier, that's water, and Kerwin. Yeah, let's go check it out. I want to see if that's a shop or... yeah, I need a beer. To be really tranquil, or how I call it, peaceful, I guess. That's what that is, an ice cream stand. Yeah. They're really crazy about this ice cream, but funny thing is nobody's eating ice cream, so they just have the ice cream shops. I guess it's too expensive for them, so I don't know why. Or in the evening people come here, as the girl told me. And yeah, that's what that is, Bambino, another ice cream selling spot. Man. Oh, they're killing me. Oh, they're really ice cream fetishists, how they call it, yeah. But I would call them, but nobody's eating ice cream, I don't know. They come out at night like vampires, you know, and then they crawl these ice cream spots and stuff. I don't know what else to tell you. It's my first day here, so any Kazakh people, you don't need so many ice cream shops, believe me. You need a beer stand for tourists. That's why no tourists, you see. No tourists anywhere. I'm the only one, which kind of makes me feel special, I have to admit. So, yeah. I feel special. I do. I really do. I'm not kidding. I'm laughing, but I'm not kidding. So this side of thing, you know, when there's no people in the bar, it's like turns me off. Why are there not people in the bar? Why? Because it's too expensive? Probably. But, you know, I will check out this Keruen thingy. I'm still hoping it's a shop, but I'm not sure. So, yeah, I'll go there.